This is the SAP Developer News, Sapphire 2026 Special Edition.
All right, we're here at Sapphire in Orlando. Actually, the keynote is going on right now, so it was one of the quietest times that we could record a news segment. But I wanted to share with you some of the news from the keynote in case you didn't catch it. There's a lot of developer-related interesting news. First of all, the announcement of the new edition of Joule Studio. And I'm actually here in front of the Joule Studio Agent Lab, where people are going to be building agents with the new Joule Studio. Rich, I, and Josh are here to help out with that. But as described in the keynote, Joule Studio is a new tool for building agents and applications and extensions, but using an AI agent to do that. So it is agentic development. You basically describe what you want to build and let the AI do a lot of the work. It builds the specifications for you, you approve them, you iterate with the AI, and then it will start generating the code for you as well. But also discussed in the keynote is our openness in this environment. We've integrated with other SAP capabilities like BDC, Signavio, LeanIX, and many other SAP capabilities through MCP servers. And what the Joule Studio creates is a code-based agent approach. So everything that we're creating, you can push to GitHub and then open in a third-party tool like Microsoft Visual Studio Code. We were doing that the other day in the Agent Lab. We created a project in Joule Studio, and then we opened it in VS Code and continued developing it with other coding agents like Claude. And that's just one of the major announcements here at Sapphire. We're going to bring you in the news some of the other major announcements, like those around the upcoming release of ABAP for VS Code and an MCP server for ABAP, and other developer-related announcements later in the news segment, just for you.
Hi everyone. Good morning. This is Tushar, part of our integration product management team, and thank you for joining us at Sapphire.
Hi everyone, my name is Gayatri. I'm also from the Integration Suite product management team. I'm joining you live from SAP Sapphire in the Sunshine State, and we are very excited about two innovations I want to talk about. One is the MCP Gateway in Integration Suite, which enables agent developers to work with a curated set of APIs by cherry picking them and enabling a very governed and secured access. The second functionality is Joule in Integration Suite, which enables our integration developers to be able to generate world-class integrations, which covers message transformation and B2B scenarios.
Great, Gayatri. These are great innovations. And let me talk about the innovation with respect to the process orchestration agent that we have released. So this will allow you to find compatible, reuse capabilities, but also able to generate Groovy scripts based on your existing PIPO, as well as your custom adapters for your Java mapping. But that's not the end of it. In Q4, we're also releasing an agent orchestration, which will help you, just get your agent-based integration, be able to generate based on that. And last but not the least, the AI gateway, which is governed access to your AI, ensuring that your AI management is governed and is orchestrated well. But that's not the end of it. Keep listening and keep hearing about Innovation Guide. You'll hear more about it from our integration suite.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And don't forget to check out the Innovation Guide, which is linked in the description. Thank you so
Thank you
much,
from
and
the
have a great
Sunshine State.
Sapphire.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey friends, Rich Heilman here. We need to talk about ABAP in VS Code. A major update is hitting us in June. We are officially releasing the ABAP MCP. You might be wondering what an MCP actually is. It stands for Model Context Protocol. Just think of it as a secure bridge between your AI coding assistant and your SAP backend. Right now, asking an AI to write ABAP is like asking it to guess in the dark. It relies on generic web data. It has zero clue about your custom tables or your specific data dictionary. The MCP fixes that completely. It lets your VS Code AI securely read your live ABAP content. What does it mean for you? It means highly accurate code suggestions that actually compile. The AI finally understands your specific system. You will spend a lot less time fixing weird AI hallucinations and much more time building solid code. We are really looking forward to getting this into your hands in June. I will have plenty of setup walkthroughs ready for you when it drops. But for now, I'll catch you later.